Hey everyone, the Dell Pro 5 Micro represents a clear step forward in the evolution of ultra-compact business desktops, especially as one of the first systems built around Intel's new Intel Panther Lake platform. Dell is targeting professionals and enterprise environments here, and it shows in how the machine balances performance, flexibility, and manageability within an incredibly small footprint. What stands out immediately is just how compact this system really is. With a volume of only 1.2 liters and dimensions small enough to disappear on a desk, behind a monitor, or even mounted under a surface, the Pro 5 Micro feels purpose-built for modern workspaces where minimizing clutter is essential. Despite weighing just over 2 pounds, it doesn't feel flimsy or compromised. The chassis has the sturdy, understated design language. Under the hood, the inclusion of Intel's latest Core Ultra processors gives this tiny machine serious credibility. Configurations with the Core Ultra 5 335V Pro and Core Ultra 7 366HV Pro bring not just raw CPU performance, but also enterprise-grade features through the V Pro platform. In real-world use, this translates into strong multitasking capabilities, efficient power usage, and enhanced security and remote management tools that IT departments will appreciate. Memory and storage flexibility further reinforce its professional focus. Supporting up to 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM running at speeds up to 7,200 megatransfers per second is impressive in such a compact system, and it ensures the machine won't feel outdated anytime soon. The inclusion of dual M.2 Gen 4 SSD slots with up to 2 terabytes of storage provides both speed and scalability, which is critical for users who need fast access to large data sets or frequently work with heavy applications. One of the most practical strengths of the Pro 5 Micro is its versatility in deployment. It's designed to adapt to a wide range of setups, whether that means mounting it behind a monitor for a clean all-in-one experience, attaching it under a desk, or placing it on a wall. This flexibility is particularly useful in enterprise environments, call centers, or even creative studios where space optimization is a priority. Connectivity is another area where Dell has clearly aimed to cover all bases. The front panel offers convenient access to essential ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a universal headset jack, while the rear expands significantly with options like HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4a, Ethernet, and additional USB ports. The inclusion of USB-C with 100-watt power delivery and DisplayPort Alt mode adds modern versatility, especially for docking and simplified cable management. Thermals and acoustics are always a concern in systems this small, and while the Pro 5 Micro is designed to handle its hardware efficiently, it inevitably operates within tighter thermal constraints than larger desktops. Under sustained heavy workloads, you can expect the cooling system to work harder, which may introduce some fan noise. Pricing places the Pro 5 Micro firmly in the premium segment of the micro PC market. Starting at over $1,200 and climbing higher with better configurations, it's not a budget-friendly option. However, the cost reflects its enterprise-grade hardware, advanced platform, and long-term reliability. Overall, the Dell Pro 5 Micro successfully delivers high-end desktop capabilities in an ultra-compact form. It combines next-generation processing power, strong expandability, and exceptional deployment flexibility into a system that fits almost anywhere. While it may not be aimed at casual users or those looking for a low-cost solution, it excels in its intended role as a powerful, efficient, and highly adaptable micro desktop for modern professional environments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.